Afternoon class 3rd students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is adjectives. So today we learn about what are adjectives. The words that help us describe nouns are called adjectives. So student, what are adjectives? An adjective modifies or gives more information about a noun or a pronoun. It tells us about the quality, quantity, number or order of the noun that it describes. So it's an adjectives. Read these sentences. Yesterday was a warm day. Second, the elephant is a large animal. He lived in a beautiful cottage. Reena is a cheerful girl. These highlighted adjectives tell us the quality of people, animals and things. So in these sentences, some words are highlighted. These words are highlighted. Now these words describes the quality of people, animals and things. These words describes the quality. Now this adjective answer the question of what kind. Means in the first one, yesterday was a warm day. Now what kind of day was yesterday? That is a warm day. The elephant is a large animal. Now what type of question the sentence is giving the answer, that is what kind of animal the elephant is. The elephant is a large animal. So large is giving the information of what kind animal. In the same way, he lived in a beautiful cottage. So in what kind of cottage he was living? He lived in a beautiful cottage. Adjectives that tell us the quality of nouns are called adjectives of quality. So what are adjectives of quality? The words that describes the quality of nouns and maybe of people or animals or things. All these are nouns. So the word that describe the quality of a particular noun are called adjectives of quality. Now read these sentences. First one, many people came to watch the match. I have some money. The zoo has a lot of animals. These highlighted adjectives tell us the quantity of people, animals and things, but do not tell us the exact number of amount. So in this sentence some words are highlighted. Now these words describes or tell us the quantity, means the amount of the people, animals and things, but they are not telling about the exact number of the particular noun. For example, many people came to watch the match. Now here it tells the quantity, that there are many people who came to watch the match, but this adjective is not telling the exact number of the people. In the same way, I have some money. I have money, but how much money? No. The exact number is not specifying here. It describes the quantity but not the exact number. The zoo has a lot of animals. Now, how many animals? That is a lot of animals. Adjectives that tell us the quantity of nouns are called adjectives of quantity. Means the word that describes the quantity of the nouns are called adjectives of quantity. It gives the answer of the question how much. Read these sentences. First, the two teams played well. I sat on the second seat. My dog had 4 puppies. Next, the apartment block has 9 towers. These highlighted adjectives tell us the number of people, animals, things or their position in a series. Now, these highlighted words 2, second, 4, 9. These words are telling the number of the people, animals or things and also their position in a series. Like the two teams played well. Now how many teams played well? That the answer is number 2. I sat on the dash sheet. Now on which seat did you sit? That is the second. Means this word is telling the position in the series. My dog had 4 puppies. So how many puppies you have? That is the 4. The apartment block has 9 towers. So how many towers are there in the apartment block? That is the 9 towers. So it is giving the information of the number. Adjectives that tell us the exact number of nouns or their order are called adjectives of number. So this kind of adjective is describing or tell us about the exact number of the nouns that is describing or their order in the series are called adjectives of number. So students, revise what are adjectives and all about their different kinds of adjectives. Revise it once again. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.